behalf of Billboard Philippines, we would like to present this certificate to you girls in recognition for being the Philippines' #1 top artist of 2020. Is Billboard Philippines' #1 artist for the Hot 200 and the Philippines Top Songs charts. And not only that, we would also like to congratulate you again, not only for dominating our charts, the Billboard Philippines charts, but also for being the representative of the first ever Billboard Global #1 series. So you represented Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations!
What's so truly important about this is that global #1 featured artists are #1 artists from around the world from each country. Beanie is the #1 artist in the country for the Philippines, and you represented us so very well. So thank you. Thank you for that. Philippine Arena, are you excited to see Beanie reach new heights? Make some noise! Thank you for your incredible contributions to the Philippine music industry. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay at mabuhay. Thank you so much.
For giving us a platform para ma-showcase yung talents natin. Kasi Billboard Philippines, andyan sila palagi kapag may bago yung songs, may bago yung achievements. Ano ba? Thank you kasi... Ano ba yun? Thank you kasi itong Philippine Arena. Hello, sino ba namang hindi pangako makapag-perform sa Philippine Arena? And bonus na lang katagyan na sold out natin. Diba? Sold out. Last day ng selling ng tickets and sold out natin. Grabe lang yung pagmamahal ng Bloom sa amin. Blooms, thank you so much! And alam namin, nalimiss mo kami kasi magsisimula na yung world tour. Pero please know na talagang namin lahat kayo sa bawat bansang pupuntahan namin. And babalik kami, papasunduan namin kayo. Thank you so much, Bloom! Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala akong support nyo. Thank you so much.
Again, congratulations, Beanie, and thank you very much, Brad and Miss Anne from Billboard Philippines!
Thank you, Mom!
Thank you for that very special announcement. But wait, there's more! From a local recognition to an international milestone. Let's watch this.
And the winner for Best Nation Act for MTV VMAs Manchester 2024 is Beanie.
So, alam ko, na lahat tayo inaabangan talagang matanggap na ng Beanie yung award itself. So, congratulations! You have made history, and with that, let's come on ABS-CBN Music Head, Sir Roxy Mujian, and ABS-CBN TV Production Head of Star Magic Head, our Tatay Director, Randy Johnny, to hand the International Award to Beanie!
From the United Kingdom, ito na po ang award ng MTV Europe Music Awards Best Asia Act, Beanie!
And on behalf of ABS-CBN and Beanie Management, we would like to thank So girls, congratulations next time to Lisa Bamboo. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Mr. Roxy! Maraming salamat po. Girls, ano naman ang reaction din finally? At mayroon pang promise si Director na next time daw. Next time. International.
Yes! Go mix, go mix, go mix.
Why?
Why not?
Well, yun nga. Conversations namin dito kasi iniisip namin paano nakakarating sa ibang bansa na ganung level kasi you know, we're just being we're just chilling here doing hindi, joke lang, hindi ko mag-chill. Like, kung nag-practice, guys. Pero yun, alam namin dahil sa hard work ng Beanie, ng TV, ng ABS-CBN, pati rin siyempre ng booze namin. Kaya, ayun nga, I always say, we're always grateful for you guys, but of course, we can't stop saying it because that's what really is, you know?
Hindi, kasi siguro kaya rin tayo ready na lumapak sa global stage. Kasi, yung foundation natin dito sa Philippines, tignan mo naman, natunan natin ng Philippine na nila. So, solid na tayo dito, solid yung base natin dito. Kaya siguro may nakasin tayo doon at naman para sumabak sa global stage. And I think